Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a passbook printing machine works in an easy step-by-step process. A passbook printing machine is used by banks to update customer passbooks by printing transaction records neatly, accurately, and automatically. It saves time for both the bank staff and the customer because the machine can print deposits, withdrawals, dates, descriptions, and balances directly onto the passbook page. First, the customer or the bank operator inserts the passbook into the machine slot. Then, the machine pulls the passbook inside and starts detecting its size, page position, and direction with the help of sensors. After that, the machine connects with the bank system and receives the required transaction data. This data may include the date, particulars, debit amount, credit amount, and updated balance. Next, the rollers inside the machine align the passbook correctly so that printing happens on the right line and on the right page. This alignment is very important because even a small mistake can print the transaction in the wrong place. Then, the print head starts printing the transaction details on the passbook. In many passbook printing machines, a matrix print head is used, which prints clearly through an ink ribbon. After printing one line, the machine automatically moves the passbook forward to the next line. If more transaction records are available, the machine continues printing line by line until all required entries are completed. Once the printing is done, the machine verifies the print position and checks whether the job has been completed properly. This helps ensure neat, clear, and accurate passbook updates. Finally, the updated passbook is ejected from the machine and returned to the customer. Now the passbook is ready to use, with all recent banking transactions printed clearly. Overall, a passbook printing machine is fast, accurate, convenient, and reliable. It helps banks process passbook updates quickly while reducing manual writing errors and saving customer service time. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.